has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County in north-central Georgia, east-central Coweta County in west-central Georgia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sharpsburg, Oregon, 9 miles east of Newnan, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Peachtree City, Tyrone, Sonoy, Sharpsburg, Turin, Woolsey, Stars Mill, and Inman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 5 p.m.